Oh my god. All this time, ඔගොල්ලෝ නිකන් මට කියනවා අර සින්දු කියන මේ සින්දු කියන but like everything we've heard, we've seen. when මම කියන්නේ යන්නේ සින්දුව ඒකට වාශීකృత වෙලා මම මෝහනීය වෙලා do not complain අනේ මාව addict වෙලා කියලා. Okay? So we're going to sing. And if you can sing with me, if you not, just keep it sharp. So the song is sung by Chihiro. Yes, Chihiro. Exactly. It has been like so we're gonna sing it. I mean it's the last to beat all that I do not know. But we're gonna sing, okay? Okay, and this is also like not a very famous song. Okay? Because ready? I'm channeling my inner Chihiro. I'm going to sing this. Sorry guys, I can't come out again. So let me try it again. Lyrics balagina. Put in lyrics again. Yeah. Okay. Ready. Ma peta vage mage ale baragana ale. Sena senang aema mage at gatu kale. Okay, because the parakyanugal extra can be magi giri palana. So yeah. Guys, if you haven't heard it, like go listen to it. F sharp picking Q. I'm listening cut to F sharp and the bass, so I'm going to complain. Can Nanda Machang or Sindu can Nanda Machan Sindu name F sharp professional level. It's not my problem, okay? So, Hena, Ogangi Kana bless Karata, Mata Stuti. Adios, amigos.